Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking this Cajun sausage pasta. If you're looking for a quick and flavorful dinner, this is one of those dinners where you can cook in and it's also budget friendly. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna cook my sausages. Alright guys, so just cooking the sausages on all sides. You can use any sausage you like, but this is the sausage I'm using. So I'm just going to cook the sausage. I'm using about 6 sausages. Hey guys, I'm just browning both sides of the chicken, of the sausage, I mean. Alright guys, I'm just setting this aside and then cook the pasta sauce. One onion, adding garlic, fresh garlic, alright guys, adding two tomatoes, some paprika, black pepper, some ginger. And guys, feel free to add more spices if you want it hot, but I don't like it hot, so just gonna add a teaspoon of each spice. And this is cumin, coriander powder, some Italian herbs. If you want your Cajun sausages hot, make sure you add more of the spices. But for me, I like my Cajun sausage a little bit mild. So I'm just going to cook these tomatoes and the spices until everything is mixed and the tomatoes are all soft, they're soft and squashed. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato paste to my sauce. I'm just going to I'm going to cook my tomato paste for a little bit longer to remove the rawness of the tomatoes. The tomato paste is a sort of a paste if you don't cook it down. Just adding chicken stock, about a half a cup of chicken stock. You can add vegetable stock or beef stock, no matter what you have, just add the stock to bring this sauce together. Adding some salt for taste, teaspoon of salt. Guys, now I'm just gonna add the sausages which I've cut into small bite size. Just cut them into bite sizes. So now I'm just mixing this up. Just mixing the sausages and the sauce that I've made, and I'm going to add chicken cream. Just adding about 3 tablespoons. Alright guys, now I'm just gonna add my pasta. So I'm using the spaghetti pasta. You can use any pasta you have, but I'm just gonna use the spaghetti pasta, which I'm gonna mix through with my Cajun sausage. Alright, now I'm mixing this. I'm just adding some Parmesan cheese We're just adding some fresh parsley. Adding fresh parsley and then mix.